Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria. From today onwards we are going to start watercolors, and so for this I just want to start everything from the basics. This is for beginners. So for this we are going to start from the very basics. So for this I'm using Artist watercolor cakes 18 shades, and okay, it's a little bit messy, and I'm using a few brushes. This is number 2 round bristles brush, and I have few more brushes here. So let us see. And here I'm taking a 200 GSM Bristow watercolor paper book, A5 size. Okay, chalo, let us start. So for this, the very first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet all my watercolors. So I'm just going to spray some water on them so that they'll be ready for working. So whatever colors I want to use, I can just use them. And I'm taking some water, a tissue paper and few brushes as I told you earlier. So let us start now. So for this, what I'm doing, we are just going to work on dry paper. Like they have different types of shadings. For the very first time I'm going to use my number 2 brush, and I'm going to draw lines. Let us see how easily we can draw the lines. So for this I just want to take my blue color. Just let me wet the blue color even more. So we'll just try to draw lines in all different shapes, different sides. Okay, and see that you're drawing the lines very freely without any breaks, like how we practiced the basics of pencil colors, pencil shades. The same way we are going to work these also. So I'm taking my blue and I just want to draw few lines randomly this way. Just give confident line. Don't try to give a break or something. Don't be very cautious, or don't press the brush in this way, so that it will have an uneven texture, uneven line, and with different shapes. So excuse me, we'll just try to draw the lines very confidently in this way. Just take the support of your little finger and see that the color is more in the brush, and just draw the lines. Never mind if at all they are in a curvy shape or something, but be confident in drawing the lines. So practice these lines for at least 100 times in this way. Next, we have done the sleeping line. Let us draw the standing line. Standing line in this way. Just give them very confident standing lines. We need very straight lines. For the first time you may not get it, but later you will definitely get it. See that there is more color in the brush, then you can get the line very confidently. Next we'll give slanting lines. We'll try to make this page as messy as it can be. Okay, don't go for other pages. Just okay, we have done sleeping lines in one direction. Let us practice in the other direction also. So we have done from here, from my left to right. Now we'll be drawing from right to left. Just draw them. Just practice, keep on practicing. That's it. We need to learn how to balance the brush, how to hold the color, and yeah, in this way. Take a lot of water from, we have drawn from top to bottom here. Now we'll be drawing from bottom to top in this way. In this way. Now we'll be doing slanting lines from right corner to left bottom, right top to left bottom in this way. Take a lot of color. You can just keep on drawing in this way. The color has become messy over here because I was taking the support of my little finger. Never mind, this is a practice. So let us go in this way now, in the opposite direction, from left bottom to right top, and this way. Make the paper as messy as you can. Now from left top to right bottom. Just dip the color and draw the line. You can make it, you can dilute the color and just draw the line. Dip in water, take the color and just draw this. From bottom to top. Here one more thing you have to observe. If at all you're landing your total brush, then your color doesn't come from like the same consistency what is there in this corner to that corner. So what you have to do? You have to just work on the only with the tip of the brush in this way. See here. Only with the tip of the brush. Then you can get that consistency. Okay? Here in this way. And the line also will be the same as you have started from the beginning and ends at the end, in this way. Okay, now we have practiced both the things. So we have practiced sleeping line from both the sides, standing lines from both the sides, and slanting lines from both the ends in this way. So keep on practicing. For this day, work on this, practice with many colors, and you can see the different shades. You have dark, light, medium shades also here. So we'll be talking about shades in upcoming classes, but for right now, just keep on practicing lines with the watercolors. This is lesson number 1. Okay, I think if you all liked it, and if at all you like it, please give a like, and please do subscribe the channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you once again. Happy drawing. Bye bye. Take care.